I improved the platform of my bandsaw. It now looks like this. I used the bracket and another bracket there. I cut the slit here so that I can adjust the height of the platform up and down. So I just screwed the bracket there on top. No, I mean under the platform. And then if I want to use it, I just clamp the other bracket here. So it's sturdy. I don't need a big platform anyway. I just need a small platform for intricate cuts. So I use 4 clamps to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I placed an outer switch here. I use two nuts and bolts here and 2 over there, because I noticed that if I used only one, it has a tendency to pivot. It goes like that. So with 2 nuts and bolts here, the platform remains perpendicular. So this is the concept I came up with. I cut a slit there, also here, so that I could adjust it like that. So instead of using only 1 nut and bolt, I placed 2 nuts and bolts here so that it will remain perpendicular. Because if I just use one, I noticed it was pivoting that way. So that it will remain perpendicular, I use 2 bolts here. So then 2 bolts and 2 bolts also here. So if I'm through using my bandsaw, I just remove the clamps. I lift it up because there's a hole there for the blade. That's how it looks under. Simple construction and sturdy. So I keep this near the bandsaw. So I just lift this. And put it in my tool cabinet. coffee. Oh yeah.